Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do an explosion like the one you saw at the beginning of this video. So if you can just strap your seatbelt, hit that like and subscribe button, we can get to work. Okay, first and first I'm gonna start off with building the ground. This is not gonna take us long, just have to add another layer for the actual explosion and just duplicate that ground layer. As we do that, let's just take some coffee and have a break. Okay, this is when me I will really start doing the explosion. As you can see, I started from small, then I make it bigger, and the more it goes off the ground, the more bigger it becomes, because the thing I want is that so that the explosion can be able to have a little bit more life. You do understand, right? So don't make everything to be equally sized and stuff like that, so put some few bumps in the road. You get the feeling, right? And also the downside should be a little bit more together. You know, the explosion is coming from the ground. Okay, at this point, I would prefer to add the sparks fireworks that actually created the explosion. This shouldn't take long, just animate the fire and it the fire just going up. So this is gonna be like the fire that comes out before the actual smoke explosion comes out. When there is an explosion and there's fire, there is a kind of explosion that first happened before the smoke actually comes out. So here's how I do it. I also added some particles flying out of the explosion just to feel the fun. It's kind of makes it more lively and more like something is exploding. But sorry I didn't put much details on it. Okay, this is when I'm done with the finishing sketches, and now for me to color and put on the jars in it. I'm changing frame per second so that I can be able to see what fits the explosion. This downside, I'm just adding it so that it can be the light of the explosion that is happening down. So, what do you guys think? Impressive, right? Okay, time to color. I already have a color palette that I want to use, so it's up to you. Just know that you have to have an ash color, a red color, a yellow color, and some other color that has all the colors of an explosion, so that you can be able to make this magnificent kind of explosion that I'm having here. So it's up to you to know which type of color you want. Just know there is a lot of color scheme in Google. after adding all my color, then I add some blow effect with the airbrush so that can be able to make it look like a real fire explosion, and it gives my work a little bit more kind of attractiveness so that at least it won't look like it's a child who did it. So this type of explosion, I didn't do much, that's why it wasn't good enough. So I'm sure you guys will still like it as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So this is me doing normal animation just with my head.